If you're watching the market, right, you realize that the small caps, or in other words, the Russell 2000, so-called the index, have an amazing run for the past 4 days. So in the chart that you are seeing right now, it is the Russell 2000, the RTY index futures over there. So within just a short period of time, in fact, just 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, just 4 days, the Russell 2000, it is up about 10% up. Okay, so do you manage to catch this run or not? While the rest of the key indices like the S&P, the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones, okay, is underperforming the small caps. Okay, so for me personally and some of my SVI members, okay, we managed to catch the small cap stocks and also have pretty good run in some of the stocks that we enter. So this is also another case study over here. So for my seasonal vantage insiders, so this is the members area that I provide for my members over here. So you can see over during my weekly update over here, okay, on the 8th of July. All right, so there are some insights, okay, and the watch list that I told them, can look at this. For example, FFIV, okay, this is the F5 network, MDOX, DOX, and also the American States Water Company. So all these are the small and the mid cap, okay. So, I told them, hey, this is the watch list. Of course, we must wait for the right setup and also the trigger to enter. But, okay, the thing is, okay, these are the stocks that are historically, okay, the favorable period to trade right now. So there are quite a number of few stocks. So I give them my insights, my value-added so-called insights that these are the few stocks that I'm watching. So let's take a look at, for example, okay, the one that I entered, it is actually AWR, the American States Water, and also F5. So AWR, let's head over to stockanalysis.com. This is a pretty good site. So AWR, American State Water. So you can see that this is a small cap. Okay, it is actually less than 10 billion in market cap. So only just about 3 billion. So this is a small cap stock. So when I first mentioned to them, okay, so this is AWR. Head over to the chart right now. When I first mentioned to them, so this red dotted line was the key area that I mentioned to my members that, price need to be above that level, then we might consider going long. So, we have the favorable period, the seasonal period, okay, where AWR, American States Water, tend to have a good run during a certain date out there. Okay, so I mentioned that. And when I first mentioned, it was somewhere around here. Okay, and after that, okay, it just shot up all the way as well. So of course, it depends on where you take the profit and such. But overall, okay, you should have very good profit, at least 1.5R, 2R, or even 3R profit. Meaning that, for example, if you risk $1,000 for the trade, okay, if it is a 2R profit, you will get at least a 2,000 profit, okay, while you're risking just $1,000 for that trade, for example. Okay, so this is American States Water. Another one that I mentioned, it is actually FFIV. So this is a mid-cap tech company, FFIV. So they do about cybersecurity, okay. And you can see over there when I first mentioned, okay, it is also somewhere around here, okay, which is the red horizontal line over here. So again, yesterday it was up about 2.36%. So it was also an amazing run. So all the small cap, mid cap had a very good run compared to the mega cap stocks. When I say about the mega cap stocks, you can think about the Magnificent Seven. Okay, so this is FFIV. Another one that I mentioned, it is actually MDOX. MDOX is AMDOC. Okay, so it did not run as fast as the rest of the two stocks, but eventually, okay, it also had a very good rally as well. So, these are some of the smaller cap stocks that I mentioned, okay. So this is how I provide value to the Seasonal Vantage insiders. Not only I provide the data, I also give my insights as well. So if you're interested, okay, you can head over to the video description on YouTube and check it out, Seasonal Vantage. And thank you and bye-bye.